And what drew you to the Mustang to begin with?
That's what I had in high school.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah, so I had a little 65 six-banger back then, a little straight six.
Yeah.
And I always wanted a V8.
What year did you graduate?
65.
Yeah.
Yeah, so back in 85, I wanted a Mustang, and my dad wouldn't let me get a big engine, so he got me the little six-cylinder, let me get the big six-cylinder.
Yeah.
Let me restore it myself, which I was very proud of it then, but ever since that day, I always wanted a bigger motor, so I went and got a 65 coupe a few years back and restored that. Got that to where I wanted.